Welcome. Let's talk about authentication, a topic that sounds complex but is the backbone of cybersecurity. Centrify Script Certificates make life easier by offering a streamlined authentication process. No more wrestling with endless configurations. These certificates integrate smoothly with your current security framework while making sure your system stays safe. Think of it as a security upgrade without the headache. And the best part, less admin work for you. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's take a whirlwind tour of authentication methods. Passwords. Convenient, yes, but let's face it, they're not exactly Fort Knox. Multi-factor authentication adds a protective shield, but it can feel like jumping through hoops. Biometrics. Fancy and secure, but they need additional infrastructure. A certificate-based authentication, though, strikes the perfect balance, strong security with minimal hassle. It's the VIP pass to authentication. Ever wished for a magic key that makes authentication simple and secure? Well, certificates are the closest thing to that. They verify identity using cryptography, making them tough to crack. Plus, they enable secure system communication, no more worrying about password leaks. Enterprises love them because they fit right into robust security frameworks. So if authentication were a superhero, certificates would be the caped crusaders. Let's dive into configuration. First, install tools you wouldn't build without a hammer, right? Next, securely generate the certificate. Think of it as creating your digital passport. Configure the server to recognize it because who likes being ignored? Finally, test it, trust but verify, as they say. Now on to best practices. Keeping certificates up to date avoids hiccups. Nobody likes expired digital ID. Access controls are like velvet ropes at a club, only VIPs allowed. Monitoring usage keeps you aware of certificate activity. And compliance. That's the rulebook for staying out of trouble. Challenges are inevitable, but solutions make us superheroes. Managing multiple certificates. Use a certificate manager, like having a magic wand for organization. Expiring certificates. Set reminders or become psychic. Compatibility issues. Check documentation and vendor supports. Security gaps. Tighten them up, no superhero leaves the door ajar. Let's explore applications. HTTPS secures websites, like putting a vault around your web presence. APIs gain authenticity, no imposters allowed. Databases protect sensitive data because secrets are best kept safe. And communication channels become secure, ensuring messages don't fall into the wrong hands. A comparison time. Certificates beat passwords like laser locks vs combination locks. Automation reduces errors. You don't have to remember what color socks you're wearing. Management is simpler than juggling MFA options. Scalability. Certificates are ready to grow with your needs, no stretching required. Security's serious, but we can keep it light. Encryption. It's the suit of armor for your certificates. Strong key algorithms. Think of it as building a fortress. Trusted authorities. They're like knighted guardians. Audits. They're your eye in the sky, keeping everything in check. Performance and scalability are game changers. Faster authentication. It's like jumping the queue at a theme park. Less downtime. No one enjoys technical difficulties signs. Handling large networks. That's juggling without dropping a ball. Resource optimization. It's maximizing what you've got. The future's bright and certificates are part of it. A blockchain adds unbreakable verification chains. AI. It's your security buddy watching 24/7. Zero trust architecture. That's like trusting no one at first sight. IoT and smart devices. They're certificates' playground for innovation. FAQs wrap things up. Reset expired certificates. It's like CPR for the digital world. Compatibility issues. Debug and consult guides. It's the tech equivalent of asking for directions. Fix installation errors. Double-check steps when in doubt, restart. Compromised certificates. Replace and tighten security measures. We've covered some great insights, and now it's time to wrap things up. First, let's quickly recap what we've learned, those key takeaways that make this discussion valuable. Next, it's important to think about how we can apply these lessons in real life. We don't just want this to be theory, right? Then we'll outline specific next steps so that you leave with a clear action plan. Finally, let's keep this conversation going, whether through discussions, feedback, or future collaborations. The journey doesn't end here. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.